Okay guys, ever wanted a clean promotional banner with a heading, description, and call to action all in one place without a complicated setup? Well, this section keeps it simple while still giving you full control. Today we're adding this banner section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for Collection. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for Collection. Then choose that section. It will be added instantly. First, let's customize the layout. You'll get 3 different options here, and you can choose whichever one fits your store best. For the banner image, add whatever you'd like. I'm adding a random one right now, and you can customize all its settings too. Below that, you've got content box settings, fully adjustable based on your own preference. Then comes the heading. Add your heading text and customize all its styling, along with the paragraph settings too. For the button, you can toggle it on or off, add button text, a button URL, and customize everything else about it. After that, you've got section colors, section margin, section width, and a few other settings, all fully adjustable. Once you've customized everything the way you'd like, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.